Today we're building the Pokemon Garchomp model kit. Just finished doing the Gardevoir model kit on the last video, but this week I'm working on this one. I'm pretty sure it's gonna turn out the same. I feel like it's gonna be as easy as the other one. Super quick to finish, by the way. So let's get started. All right, so here's what we got. We got this and this. Okay, so like two sets, obviously. It doesn't look like a lot, but in reality I feel like it is. And then we have a little more decals in here, so it'll be slightly difficult. I don't think too much, but you know what, it's all good. We'll get through that. And now let's go through the instruction manual. Oh, all right, see this? Yeah, this looks a lot more intricate than the Gardevoir one for sure. It's gonna be slightly difficult, I think. Just tedious because of the little parts, but besides that, I think we got it. But that's it so far. Wish me luck on the build, and let's get started.